Hey guys, this is Frank. As in, if Frank can fix it, you can fix it. Today we're working on a 20-inch Lasko tunnel drive fan. We're going to dismantle it and clean it. Now, I lost the first intro clip to breaking it down, but rest assured, stay with me. I'm going to show you how to take it, put it back together. It's just as easy as it came off. This is going to blow your mind. It's very easy. I searched YouTube everywhere. They told me to use a blower, which is ridiculous because the fans don't come clean. I was going to throw it away and just get a new one because I couldn't live with the dirt that was on this thing. So I ended up figuring it out. It's going to blow your mind. It's that easy. Let's clean that fan. Let's go.
Okay, we're back. I'd already gotten this off. I wasn't going to make a video to figure out how easy it was to get this off. As you can see, it's plenty dirty still, and that was after 2 hours with a brush and using the blower. Still filthy. This, of course, is this type one. After I got it off, it was just blew my mind how easy it was. It actually just clips, the whip clips on the inside, and there's just 2 screws on the back. If you go close, you'll see these 2 little screws. There we go, right inside the ribs right there. You'll see them. Unscrew them, squeeze this part together, and it pops right off. Unbelievable. So, very easy to get off. The front comes off, not the back. Couldn't believe how easy it was to get that off after all the time I spent cleaning this thing today. I could have had it done in just a few minutes. It literally took me taking out those 2 screws and pushing in on the outer part to get it to come out the bezel. Easy as can be. There you go, guys. Good luck. Hey guys, as you can see, just use a little vinegar, Windex vinegar, to clean as a whistle. Now's a good time to get in there with your little hand brush and get the inside of the screen as well. Get any dirt that was on the inside and push it to the outside of it so it can be clean. I also wiped down this ring really good. It had a lot of dirt on it, but look at that baby, brand new. Now you got to be very careful with them blades. They're very cheap, so make sure you put your hands behind the blades while you're cleaning them, and then remember to get the back side. Now is a good time to brush. I can see one spot I missed in there. I'm gonna have to still get. And just take a good look and then brush again before reassembling. I'll check back in when I'm putting it back together. Okay guys, I'm putting the top back on. As you can see, here we are. It's just sitting here. I actually did use this blower after I was done with everything just to get rid of all the dirt, but everything's clean good. All we're doing is sitting it right inside that bezel. Line up your 2 sides. Will have notches in it for your legs. You got your top big hole, of course, for up here. And this is the first time I'm doing this too, guys. I'm doing it with you. Put it in, pop it under like that. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing. Okay. Now we just have our 2 screws to put in. As you can see, it's in pretty good. Lay it back in space. And then we have our 2 screws, which go right here, one right here, and then one right there. That's it, guys. It's another addition. If a friend can do it, you can do it. I can screw it up as much as the next guy, so couldn't live with it the way it was. Would have just bought a new one, but persistence. Hope it helps even one person out there. All right, guys. Good luck. Guys, in conclusion, try not to the screws in the back seem like they're pretty flimsy, so I wouldn't screw them on very hard. But let's see. It's getting ready to turn it on. Appears to be sturdy. That's clean. That'll make the wife happy. All right, let's see. You ready? Let's do this together. All right. Oh yeah. I'm doing this outside just for any extra debris, even though I did use a blower. But anything that might have still been there will definitely come out now. But I'm pretty confident I cleaned it plenty. But there you go, folks. Good luck.